Hey guys, today I'll be working on this Express Chevy van, Chevy Express. So I'll be replacing the grill because as you can see right here, mine's damaged, so I need to replace it. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to replace this grill. And let's get started. For easy access for the grill to remove, might want to remove this panel which has clips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure if I have to remove these, but I'll show in the video. And these two bolts, and then this should come off the top. So I removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. And then next you want to do is remove these two bolts, and the cover should go up. So once you remove that cover, what you want to do is next to remove the bolts. There's one right here and one right here. Once you remove the bolts, 1, 2, this thing gets loose. Then you want to go to the turn signal, just slightly so you don't crack this turn signal. Pop it, and the turn signal is supposed to come off. Just is right there, like that. And don't force it in because it should go back. See right here? It's clicked right there. Don't pull it, just kind of let it bit back. And that's how you take the turn signal off. And then you have another bolt holding this right in here, and that's 10mm. I believe all of them were 10mm. And there's one on the other side, same thing, but mine's broken, so I don't have to take it off. Once you remove the bolt, unplug the turn signal so it's not in your way. You can either unplug the clip or just twist it over. Usually by twisting it, it goes this way. Same thing shows right here, lock this way, unlock the other way. So just like that, and your steering signal is off. Make sure these don't break, put them out of the way. Once you do that, the grill should be able to come off. And mine came off. Make sure you don't break the light bulbs. And then if you want to stay tuned, I put it back. So I bought a new grill from eBay. I believe this one was with shipping. I think shipping was free. It was I think like 160 or 170, somewhere around that price. So if you want to stay tuned to watch this, I put it back on, you're more than welcome to. So this new one came with the chrome. It doesn't really bother me, and it might even look better. And it doesn't have a Chevy emblem. I'll be taking off my old one over there. And yeah, let's get started. So I have to replace this as well because mine's ripped. I don't know the best way to remove it. If you want to save it, if you need to remove it, but most likely most people never have to replace this unless it's broken. But if you got some new stuff, I managed to take it off. All I did is took this kind of tool and pry it, and it pops right there. But when I did that, I broke a few pieces. So I don't know what's the best way. Maybe go from inside, pinch him maybe, and slowly take him off. But I don't need this piece, so I just took it off like that. I managed to save some of them, but some of them broke off. And that's my new piece right here. Oh, it is just clip-ons. I don't see anything else but just clips. So I put the grill on. What you want to do is match up right here. Make sure everything matches up. Don't force it or you'll break plastic. One right here, one on this end, and then match this up right here, this up. So you match this hole right here, tighten the bolt here, here, one bolt right there. I would do a little bit at a time, and one right here, and that should hold it. Once you did that, you're pretty much done with this grill. And put the cover on how you took it off, and you're done. But also I'm missing the emblem. It's the sign. I'm gonna take my old one off. To take it off is just on clips, and you just push it in. Just don't break it. This one this way and this one this way, just like that. I already took mine off, but just press it and that should come off. Then to put it on, you just whichever way it goes. So basically it actually goes only one way, because see how this thing sticks out? It goes inside here. So what you want to do is put it this way, like that, and clip it in, and there you go. And then you're done. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, and then I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.